What's up, people? We're out here today. We're gonna sow this yard. Bill Holts Lawn Service, bringing you along, making a new video. It's been a while. I'm a little lazy when it comes to the camera and doing this stuff, so here we are. Finally getting me doing something. You look good with the camera in your hand. Now I know what y'all see.
Yeah. This is my two goober helpers. The third one's on the way. Trailer down. Tailgate. Don't turn asphalt.
The ground's frosted, frozen. We're waiting on some dirt. Not too bad. This one's pretty small. There's some we've done that are not so small. I don't know how far we're going back. That one right there turned out pretty good, looks like. So yeah, so we're just getting started. Like I said, it's super cold, ground's hard, got some dirt on the way, hopefully not sing out.
White stick right there.
But how big some of the yards are, we've strawed, like that one over there, and they had that big, super big backyard that Dad wanted to handshake instead of using straw blower. They had the cats,
Yes.
cats people.
Yeah.
That was intense.
Yeah.
So compared to that, this is
Nothing.
light work. The only good thing about that one was that they were cats people.
Nah.
I'm a cats person. He acts like you don't like cats, but
I don't.
you do.
Told him he was working today. He said, I didn't know I was supposed to be back there. Told him twice yesterday where it's at. He just called me and said, where am I at? I'm supposed to be out on Harmon Road.
I hear him.
What's the name of this drive?
Huh?
What's the name of this road?
Oh, hell, I don't know.
Film Papa.
Here he comes. Here comes the dirt finally. Dad's impatient.
How does it get lost?
I'm sure Norm knows.
Ask him, why don't you listen to Bill's directions? Starting to come to life a little bit. Starting to look pretty good. Getting there.
There you go.
Yeah, we got it now.
Sits up out there.
Sucks when it's frozen.
Did you work up a sweat though?
I did. I picked out this hoodie.
He said it's a little bit nipply. I was like, well, I came prepared today. Got the sweatpants on beneath the jeans. Nothing's worse than being uncomfortable. Hot or cold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna pull up back down here and just cut it off, and then help y'all what I can.
Cool. So it don't look like there's much up there.
Man, all I'm gonna do is
So we're coming along here, as you can see, starting to look pretty good. Little progress from where we were when we started. Kind of got the bed shaped up here. Looking good. Battery went dead on this thing, so I missed a little bit of progress here on this job, so we had to go get a different dump truck. As you can see, this one's got some pine bark in it. About to have to go get some straw here in a minute, but I'll show you where we're at now. Looking good. They got the bed here. Gonna put some pine bark in there. Cleaned up pretty good. So yeah, so we're gonna finish this thing up. Up a little. All right. Yeah, well, some of this is frozen.
Yeah.
Is it frozen up there?
Yeah.
Lumps.
It's down. Yeah, it's iced up there.
Like,
Yeah, but that's tough to rake. Should be done though. Oh, it looks like we need just a little more. Just a little more, we'll have the bed done. Pine bark's a little frosty.
Maybe 4 or 5 here.
No, I ain't take more 4 and 5. Take
What?
about 8. 8 right here.
Why don't you ask Norm that? He's always got the best answer.
I take about 10. Yes.
How many bales of straw, Norm?
I'm gonna say 25.
He's either way high or way low. He's never just right.
He's always low, if you ask me.
Erosion mat's gonna be right. This whole bank, that whole bank,
Like that whole side or just the bank?
the bank, just the bank. 8, let's see, 10, 4.5. Probably another 8. That's 18. 18.
I would say your original estimate of 35 shouldn't be.
35,
Yeah.
back out, you know, counting that back out.
Yeah. Whoa.
Start now. See, we'll start right here.
Yep.
Start right here, we'll go to where I got graded out. You know?
Yeah.
I'd take a good 10, won't it?
Probably.
Probably.
Maybe 45.
Got 10. How do you get
Oh, okay. Well, then do 35.
35?
Yeah. 35 sounds about right. Looks about right. We've been wrong before.
I'm gonna see. Gotta get that truck out of it's gonna take about 40 probably. There's a check in the glove thing, and give me a check.
How many did you say, Norm?
He said 17.
Well, I didn't think it's gonna take that much. And
Have you been wrong before, Norm?
no.
Let Norm write the check, Dad.
I don't know. Norm probably don't know how to write check. You know how to write check, Norm?
Not very good, no.
I think it's about time to pulverize it before we throw some seed and fertilizer, lime, all that good stuff on here. Nice and cold though. Ground's starting to thaw out, getting a little muddy with the black dirt we brought in. Dad and Norm bickering as always. Good time.
We'll straw that area right there, you know. Erosion mat, that bank and that ditch around through there. Probably the bank. We want to do the ditch.
Get straw and all that stuff. Like,
I would take 2 erosion mat up there.
We're gonna mess with Dad for a second and do the complete opposite of what he just said. It was Norm's idea. Supposed to be putting it back here somewhere. He was like, when he comes back, throw up your hand like.
oh, I'm gonna ask him right here. There.
You're in trouble now. Oh, he's pointing.
Well, we need to go back to kindergarten, start the yellow.
See, so where do you start at? Just right around here?
We start that way and go this way.
Let's just bring it back here, then go that way.
I would do that right. I think, oh, we're going to start right there. Get over.
Did you get his motion?
I got everything. I got everything.
So we go down there and ask him.
Just start dragging it across the other yard. We created that comedy. Dad, when you're seeing this, know this ain't the only time we've done that. This is just the first time on film.
Y'all mix them. Y'all take them 3 bags and mix them up there while your erosion mat's rolling down the baby. Let me get that, pulverized. And y'all can do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and straw. We're going to bring some straw up here. We'll straw this little area here.
I wish I would have got that part.
What? We gotta seed it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm like, no idea. We gotta seed it. I should just open it and start just rolling it out. Grab a little more of that right there. Go more this way. Off to the other one. We should just put seed on it and not even do fertilizer, lime, or nothing.
Maybe you should lay it like this way so it don't roll.
Oh, you mess that up, that's gonna mess the whole thing up right there.
Now we're doing the fun stuff.
Yep.
Pushing spreaders. And some of the ground is still thawing out, so it's kind of muddy. So these wheels are gonna get super muddy. And this is gonna be hard as hell to push. You know what I'm saying? We got this. We're about to put out the erosion mat. This is where Norm really shines. He's a true expert at this. Not only cutting it open, but rolling it out. Look at that. Almost done covering this backyard. It was a lot bigger than I thought when I started pushing, especially up there in the corner in the back, and it's muddy. So, good old spreader. We have a bigger spreader back home that goes on the back of a tractor. I think we actually have 2, but we didn't bring them out today because the yard's not that big. But yeah. All right, so we about got it. We got all the seed and fertilizer, lime, and all that down. Getting there. Just blew it off. When we straw it, it'll be a little easier to blow. So yeah, we're starting on this side over here. Putting out the erosion mat. Got a little bit of straw here. I guess we'll start strawing right here and then just work our way out this way.
Work out
Yeah.
there.
says that way. Unroll direction. So it says.
Norm's the master at.
You just turned it the wrong way. See the arrow?
Well, I asked you.
I said arrow says that.
Well, we can.
Giving Logan a raise, we need to minus about.
What, a quarter?
He's a master at cutting it though. Now we're gonna do the front yard. We're gonna start here, work out that way. Hopefully finish this thing up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
looking good.
Yeah. Making a little progress here. Got the erosion going down through there. So close. Lunchtime. Me and Norm's gonna go get a snack. Do you remember what he said?
Dr. Pepper and a cracker.
Only one cracker or a pack?
Just singular.
Okay.
I don't know what type of cracker. Oh, we almost got it.
Then we gotta load up
Go home.
and then
Unload.
because it's gonna rain for several days straight. At least that's what the weather lord says.
But they're not always right there. That's
Exactly.
a weather bill. Yeah.
That's what I mean, the weather lord. He's the weather lord.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's usually always right.
Yeah. Yeah, I understood where he wanted me to go. Even though he didn't think I did. Even though he didn't think I did. Even though he didn't think I did.
See, that's something Dad does a lot there. He starts to tell us something to do, and then he just stops and goes and does something, which leaves me and Norm standing around like horses. Then we get scolded when he sees us standing around.
He gets that from his mom.
What were you gonna say?
Even though he didn't think I did. Even though he didn't think I did.
All right, we're about to finish this thing up. Got the front yard done. On the side here in the back, a little more erosion and a few more straw bales. Well, a lot more straw bales. Looks like. I keep forgetting how big this backyard is. All right, so it looks like we're all done. We finished this thing up. What do you think, Norm?
That's good money.
We got it. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna load on up and get out of here. So yeah, that's all we got. I'm gonna blow this thing off, load up, and get on out of here. All right, so we're finished up. I'll load it up. That's it though. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, you know all the YouTube stuff. And until next time.